Hey, I'm Revis, Memo Workshop. If you watched the previous video, it cut off when I was putting this piston retainer on. I just started these bolts and I was talking about the torque sequence, and somehow I hit the wrong button. Just to show y'all, it's 13 foot-pounds, and I went around and torqued every bolt. I don't know what I hit or what button I did, but anyway, that's all you missed. Simple as that. Just went around. I do go through, when I do a torque sequence, I like to do it twice. What we're going to do next is, we're going to put the one-way clutch in the bottom of the transmission. And I got to find out. This roller came out of one of these. Come out of this right here. You got to put these rollers in, just push the spring back, and pop the roller in. I mean, it's just that simple. And that's how this works. When you're freewheeling this way, the spring will collapse and the roller can roll around. When it goes to lock, it wedges the roller in between two pieces of steel. And I don't know how in the world I could illustrate it on here, but that's what it does. This is a good time to set your band in place. Actually, no, it's not a good time, because I had to put this servo in the back. What it's a better time to do is put the band servo in the back. This is what was broke on the teardown. If y'all see me surprised when I tear down, Matt gave me the story on it. He caught somebody stealing a flag off his truck. He slammed it in reverse and chased him down, because that's how we do things around here. So he handled that guy accordingly, and also not only did he bust his van, but the pressure went so high he actually blew a ball to the plate in his valve body when he did it. So we won't be having a valve body video. It was just too gone. It was cheaper to buy a reman valve body with all the solenoids than it was to buy the parts that I needed to fix it and tie the solenoid. But you can see what I'm doing. Remember, the lip went towards oil, just like always. And when you set it in, I kind of set it in kind of cockeyed and then just sort of, or cocked, and then sort of straightened up. Then the spring goes down. This retainer goes down, the dome goes towards the spring. And then the hardest part is, there's no real good tool to pop a snap ring in, so you just use whatever you got laying around, which is usually my fingers. That's why I cut all the pieces a lot of times. All right. Anytime you put a snap ring in, go all the way around. You'll hear me say that 100 times, but it's working. Go all the way around. Make sure you push that snap ring back in place. All right, that's for your rear band. This is for your front band. Your kick down band. I'm missing one pair of snap ring pliers. It should be right here. I just used them. There we go. Okay. You got a seal in here, piston and a seal in here. It's actually what retracts the band. Same as before, put a little bit of trans gel on it. Just a little bit better. I don't know if y'all saw that. Same thing, got a hole in here. It is so hard to see, but there's a little tiny hole right here that puts fluid on the back side of this. When the band's applied, that's what pushes the band back off, so you can go from second to third without the band dragging. If you get lost, there's a spring there, it goes in. Your flat plate goes on top, and then your snap ring. This snap ring is being a pain, but it's alright, that's what's going to happen. So, you see me struggling with it, you won't feel bad if you have to struggle with it. This is just as real as it gets. I am going to pause it, I'm going to get a screwdriver and have to push this thing down. Oh, it looks like it's in there. Sometimes you just hear it. Y'all heard that snap, but that was when that snap ring popped in. All right. About to run out of lemon on the phone. That's part of the problem I'm having with this YouTube. I don't have the right equipment, and it's sitting there hollering at me, telling me that my storage phone lemon's up. I wanted to get this. I really want to get the servo in, because they